Hi everybody! It is time for you to start writing your story. You've got so much information and material that you can pour in to make it interesting and exciting to write and for your reader. So I've had to make a list because I couldn't remember all the different things. You've got your wintry words from your word cauldron. You've got the map you've created so you know all of your different locations. You've got the senses you've listed so you know very, very small things about your island and also very, very big things about your island, and all the different senses bring it to life and make it exciting. You've got the emotions and the information from your diary entry so you know how your character might be feeling and the different doubts they might have. And you've also got your clues. That gives you something else that you might want to include. Now, you don't have to include all of those things, but it gives you lots of different choices and has built up lots of different parts of your story, like a jigsaw, if you like, that you can put into a melting pot together and use all of them if you want to. I've made you some story starters as well, in case you struggle to get going. Sometimes I struggle with my first line. And as you know, your first line needs to be as good as you can possibly make it because you want people to read the rest of the story. So you need to hook your reader in. My 3 story starters that I've got for you if you need them. The first one, the island looms up out of the sea in front of me and ... So you could start your story there if you like, or I have been told not to go to that side of the island because it is dangerous, but ... Of course, your character would probably go to the dangerous side of the island because that makes it exciting for the reader. Or, yes, I have worked out what the clue means and ... So if you need a story starter, you can use one of those, or you can use one of your own, of course. I cannot wait to read your stories, so please share them with me. And I hope you have fun doing all the activities. It's been great working with you. I hope to work with you again. Fingers crossed you've had a brilliant time, and I look forward to reading every single one of your stories when you send them through. Bye everybody! Happy writing!